We're not on box, but we'll be.
God.
You ready for this?
We gotta show this detail first.
This is a hot mess.
You gotta go deep first and then pull out slowly. What was that?
Oh, there it is.
Fill her up. Oh. When we press it, it's gonna expand. It might ooze out a little bit.
Oh, it's definitely going to ooze out.
Another DIY here at Hamfist Racing Garage. You're welcome. That's so good.
We'll get the rest. This is the situation of the rest. Okay, round 2 of the splitter repair. Here's where we're at. We're squeezing it. We're compressing it. We're gluing it. It's clamped real tight. It's a little verklempt.
But I think, you know, it's important to show, look at how effective it was. It was so effective. It made a big impact. I always say that. Because it's really seamless now, and it's, you know, we'll make it even better. It'll be sealed, and we'll make it pretty again, and it'll function even better and be sturdier than it was before. Well, this was silicone, right? Construction silicone, I believe. Right? Be right?
Construction glue.
Oh, construction glue. Well, it's working really well with the plywood. That's all warped and opened up and split in all different ways. So yeah, it's a work in progress. We're getting there.